Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Econometrics. This is Professor Atman from Crack Economics and Statistics. In this video, I'm going to discuss the idea of econometrics, methodology of econometrics, and nature of data. So we have cross-sectional data, time series data, and panel data. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos on SPSS, RStudio, and economics. What is econometrics? It is application of economic theory, mathematics, and statistical techniques for the purpose of hypothesis and estimating and forecasting economic phenomena. So basically, econometrics is helpful to estimate and forecast the economic parameters. It is also interpreted as economic measurement. So basically, econometrics helps us to use the economic models for economic policy making. Let's take the example of law of demand. Now we know that other things remain constant, that is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Now this is a qualitative statement. We cannot identify the quantitative relationship between price and quantity demanded from this statement. So econometrics helps us to test this statement empirically. To do so, we need data and statistical models. So with the help of data and statistical models, we empirically test the qualitative statement or economic theory. Let's discuss the methodology of econometrics. So we have economic theory. From that theory, we can build a statistical model. To test this statistical model empirically, we can collect the data. And after collection of the data, we can estimate the model. After estimating the model, the hypothesis testing helps us to identify whether our model is statistically significant or not. And this model helps us in policy making. So we have law of demand. From this law of demand, we know that quantity demanded is equal to alpha minus beta p plus mu. So this is a statistical model or a mathematical equation of our economic theory. So we can randomly collect the data on price and quantity demanded. We can estimate the parameters alpha and beta. We need to test whether alpha and beta are statistically significant or not. And then we can use this model in policy making. Let's discuss the nature of data. So first we have cross-sectional data. Here data is collected at a given time point, and it is also known as cross-sectional studies or analysis. See this table. We have collected the data of various countries, the health expenditure of various countries in 2020-21. So here data is collected at a given time point in 2021. So this is a cross-sectional data. Now we have time series data. So here data collected from different time points. And therefore we have the sequence of the data points. You can see we have the health expenditure of USA from 2014-15 to 2021-22. So here we have the sequence of the data points. And therefore this data is time series data. Then we have panel data. So panel data is the combination of cross-sectional and time series data. So we have the data on various observations across the time. So we have the data on health expenditure. Now you see there are various observations, various countries. and across the time from 1990 to 2000, 2000 to 2010, 2010 to 2020. So we have the combination of time series and cross-sectional data. So this data is known as panel data. So in this video, we have discussed the idea of econometrics, methodology of econometrics, and nature of data. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crack Economics and Statistics. Thank you.